Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We haven't been on for a while, but we figured we'd share another project with you. So today, the 2005 Suburban has got a bit of a lifter tick in it. So I bought some of this engine flush and we're going to try it, change it out and see if the tick goes away. So I heard really good reviews about this. We'll give it a try. It's been idling and we're going to pour some of this in and let it run for about 20 minutes. So stay tuned. Okay, putting the blue gloves, keep those hands nice and oil free. And then we'll move over to the engine and start by taking this cap off. And putting our funnel in. And then we'll open this fancy can. It's very child-proof.
Yes, it's made from Germany.
Yes, it is. Putting German stuff in an American truck. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, it smoked.
Yes.
Get every last drop of it.
I think.
Okay. So then, pick up this piece of plastic too.
It fell on the ground.
Yeah. Gotta keep the planet clean, right? Alright. So, this stuff is in. Let's put the cap back on the oil, just in case. And then we'll go start the engine up and let it run for 20 minutes, right?
Yes.
Ready? Here we go. Okay. Let's set a timer.
For 20 minutes total.
Right here.
Yes.
On our fancy Corvette clock, it is almost 3:30. So
It's like 3:25.
yeah, adjusted for daylight savings time, it is not. It's actually 4:25, 6, 7, right? So it's actually 4:27, 4:28 now. So as we've been talking about this for a minute, 5, 10, 15, 20, so roughly about 1:45. Then we'll be ready to dump the oil out. And it should be nice and black.
Yep.
Cool.
You hope it's black.
That's right. So let's get the oil pan set up.
Stay tuned. Later. Hey guys, this is the video update. We're using this and might want like that short part. Get one of these for your Suburban. If you're gonna have a Suburban, and find out.
Okay, so it's been idling. Most of the ticking is coming from the passenger side. And I don't know if it's quieted down or not just yet. Still kind of hear it in the distance. Kind of like a that. But a lot of people say that the lifters have these small little passages in them, and they get all gunked up with stuff. So this is like a first ditch effort of trying to get the lifter to kind of loosen up, and if it doesn't loosen up, then the only real solution for these is like yanking the head and putting a new set of lifters in. So, and that's expensive, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So our time check is getting near, because we are at about 1:45. So I figure like about another 3 minutes or so. What do you think?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
3 minutes will do it.
3 minutes will do it. That's right. So we'll wait another 3 minutes, right, dude?
Yep.
Cool. Okay. Here it comes.
Old fluid chain.
Whoa.
Whoa. What a mess.
Yeah.
Thought it was gonna be not that bad.
Definitely dirty.
Yep.
And we're gonna have to clean up the mess in the driveway.
Yep, and it's that black to the brownish.
Yeah, it's really dark.
You know, like, probably the tail can't really see it. Really the
Yeah,
brownish.
can you do me a favor and grab on top of the engine up there? There's a rag.
Yep.
Grab it one.
Just tell you a rat.
Thanks, dude. Well, it's kind of like a dark root beer color.
Yeah, well, it looks like we put beer plus like dark brown oil on the top.
Now I'm gonna try to take the filter off. Okay, so we are gonna put back in the full synthetic high mileage 530 and a new, for mine it's been a PF48. I don't know what, for some reason this one seems to take a little bit different filter, which seems like it was a mid-year change, because a lot of them take a PF43, I think. So all right, so let's put a little bit of oil on the gasket. That's good. And then we'll put this in the car.
Ew.
There's the oil. And a nice leak down the side.
And
Oh, hey.
a little bit
Mm,
oil filter.
the color of it looks pretty dark, considering I just changed this oil maybe a couple thousand miles ago. And the reason I did that was to get it over to synthetic and start seeing if I could start getting a better sounding engine where it wasn't ticking as bad. So anyways, that is, as you can see, the filter is pretty new looking still. So we got everything tightened up so we can put the oil back in now, right?
Yep.
Cool. So let's do that. Up top. Okay. So here we go.
out with the old, in with the new.
That's right, out with the old and in with the new. Another oil change video with a twist. Cool. All right, so that's 5. And it's a 6-quart capacity. We'll have to see how well this does, but our tick might not go away instantaneously. Or it might not even go away at all. We'll have to see. So let's pull the filter, or the funnel, excuse me. Let's get this funnel out of here. Put the cap back on. And then let's start it up. I don't know, it sounds about the same. Well, maybe, no, it's about the same. Okay, so we're gonna drive it for another 5,000-6,000 miles. Still needs another oil change, we'll see what it does. But if it doesn't get any better, might be time to pull that head, or both the heads, and put some lifters in. So, thanks for watching everybody. Catch you in the next one. Peace.